Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add a custom thank you page in WooCommerce. So let's get started. The first step is to create a new page. Now before you do that, you have to log in into your WordPress account. And to do so, just go to your navigator and open a new tab and search for WordPress. After the website appears, enter your account using your account credentials. Like you see, I'm already connected to my account, so I'm directed automatically to my account's dashboard. From here, we have to go to pages right here and click on add new page. After that, we have to title it thank you. Let's refresh. Yeah, this is the one. We'll title it thank you and add your content after titling it. See? You can select a blank page or anything. You can select the featured, select this one, and name it thank you right here. You can edit the fonts, edit the colors, etc. Now the second step is to assign the thank you page in WooCommerce. Navigate to WooCommerce settings, advanced, and under thank you page, select the page you just created. Now for the third step is to test the thank you page. Place a test order to ensure customers are redirected to your new thank you page. And that's it. That's how you add a custom thank you page to WooCommerce. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.